So first of all, I'm very glad to have be here, and I really think कि बहुत टाइम बाद this initiative has been taken कि content marketing यानी जो content creators है उनके लिए भी ये award function रखा गया है. We all know that there are a lot of award functions happening for various TV shows, films and all, but this is the first time I am hearing and I'm seeing this, and I'm really glad to be over here at this Indian Content Marketing Awards, wherein the content creators, the main masala makers, समोसे के अंदर मसाला नहीं होगा तो सोडा कौन खाएगा? So this is the Masala Award. So I'm really glad to have be over here and give get this opportunity to be over here and give them the award, and it's a really good initiative taken by the Indian Content Marketing Awards. Yeah, so like we all know there is a great evolution in human life. वैसे ही there is a great evolution in the media as well, because पहले के ज़माने में there was full television content only, like 100% there was television, but now if you see the analysis, the research, there is 40% content created by television, but the rest 60% is like distributed by OOH or outdoor marketing or content marketing, wherein digital media or content which we see on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube is the it's not emerging, it's already on the peak right now. So YouTube and now various OTT platforms and like various other channels have been coming on various social media apps and digital apps, wherein they provide us the content, the thing which we want directly to us, because nowadays we are all on our cell phones more than the television. So cell phones pay, of course we always go for information, knowledge. So if we get this information from the content creators, so it's our obligation as well to give them the reward for what they put their efforts on. So recently I've did a good big film, and it's gonna release after 3 to 4 days only. So I've been doing a cameo in that, and I would like to create and keep it a suspense, a surprise right now, and it's a big banner film. You yourself will come to know. So right now I'm giving it a surprise for you, but as soon as it will release, I'll really share my opinion, and I would really like to know how much you liked my role in that.